Hello dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. So today we are going to discuss the remaining part of the chapter, our celestial neighbors part 2. In the previous part of this chapter we had learned about sun and stars and night sky. Today, in this part, we will discuss about the moon, phases of the moon and craters. So let's start with the moon. Students, as you all know that what is moon? During night time in the sky you can see the moon, and moon is very beautiful. So, do you know the moon is the Earth's only natural satellite. It is the closest neighbor of the Earth. It means the moon is very nearest to the Earth. So we can see the image of moon is very big. It is much smaller in size than our Earth. It means the Earth is bigger than the moon. The moon does not have its own light. It reflects the light of the sun. It means the moon is lightless, means they have no light at all. Moon shines with the help of sunlight. It means sun have its own light. The light of the moon is called moonlight. Okay. The next, some important fact regarding these topics are: the solar system consists of sun and all 8 planets that moves around the sun. You all know about the planets. In the previous PPT we have already discussed about the planets, that there are 8 planets in our solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The Earth is one of them. Earth is a planet in which the life is possible, and the all planets move around the sun. The Earth rotates on its axis. Thus, whichever part of the Earth faces the sun, the people of that part only are able to see the sun, and they have day. Like during daytime, the faces of our Earth is the sun. So we feel that there is a daytime. The other part, which is opposite to the sun, has night, because sunlight doesn't reach that part of the earth. So that part of the earth is darkened and there is no light, so that has night. We study stars with the help of a powerful telescope. The Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the moon in 1969. It means it is possible to go on the moon, and the Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the moon in 1969. These are some important facts related to the topic. So, students, you all can see now the image of this moon. Can you see the black holes on the moon, black spots on the moon? Do you know what are these spots? These are craters. From far away, the moon is very closest to the earth, but from here we can see such types of black spots on the moon. But when we go on the moon, we see that these black spots are the craters. Craters means a small hole that is present on the moon. So this is the image of craters. Craters, the small depressions seen on the moon, are known as craters. It means the small depressions. Depressions means small hole that is present on the moon like this. So these are the craters. Now the next phases of the moon. Do you observe that sometimes we can see a full moon on the sky, but sometimes we cannot see the image of the moon on the sky? So what is this? These are the phases of the moon. Its main, the moon revolves around the earth. It changes its shape daily on the night sky. These are called phases of the moon. Once in a month, we see a full round shaped moon like this. This is the full round shaped moon. Sometimes once in a month we can see the full round shaped moon. This night is called a full moon or Purnima. Once in a month we do not see the moon anywhere in the sky. This night is called new moon or Amavasya. Some more important facts regarding the topics are: a sundial tells the time on the basis of the position of the sun. Sundial is an instrument sundial is a thing that is used to know about the time with the help of the position of the sun. A shadow on the sundial helps to know the time of the day. So the chapter is completed now. Hope you all understand the phases of the moon, about the moon, the craters, and how many planets in our solar system: moonlight, Purnima, and Amavasya. So students, now request to all of you that please see the video and try to understand the concept of this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.